Submitting documents to Etsy for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your submission is successful. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Gather all necessary documents required by Etsy for account verification. This may include identification, business licenses, or tax information. Ensure they are clear and legible. Step 2. Log into your Etsy account. Access your Etsy account by visiting the Etsy website and entering your login credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting account settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Find the verification section. In the account settings menu, locate the section dedicated to account verification or document submission. This section will provide specific instructions on what documents are needed and how to submit them. Step 5. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts to upload your prepared documents. Ensure that each file meets Etsy's requirements for format and size. After uploading, review your submissions for accuracy before finalizing the process. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive confirmation from Etsy regarding your document submission. Keep an eye on your email for any further instructions or updates regarding your account approval.